Welcome back again. Fitness for travel. All right. I am a former athlete. I'm deconditioned. I like to work out, but I'm big boy. I'm big boy. I'm 6'4", 300 pounds, like I've said. And I'll never have a six pack, and I'm fine with that. I love to eat. I like ice cream. I like walking around eating ice cream. But fitness, right? If you're going to Europe, if you're going many places in the world, as an American, they walk. Their cities are old. They were built before cars. And these people walk everywhere. Like when I was living in Greece, I'd average between 13,000, 18,000 steps a day. And that's not working out. That's just how much I would walk. So if you're a large person, if you're, depending on where you're on that size spectrum, right? There's going to be different issues. There's going to be different obstacles that you're going to have to face that most people aren't going to have to face. And that's just reality. So what we can do is try to prepare ourselves as much as we can before we actually take off, and actually get to our destination where we're trying to, kind of like fulfill our dream of travel. If you're going to be in a place where you're walking a lot, walk. If there's hills, get on a treadmill and set the incline. These things make a huge difference. But this is America. We drive everywhere. We drive absolutely everywhere. We don't walk. I knew people who drive to the mailbox. Even coming back here, I'm used to walking everywhere, but coming back here, grocery store's 2 blocks away. I'm driving there. That makes no sense to me. I'd walk 20 minutes to the grocery store when I was living in Greece. And then 20 minutes back with all my groceries. So yeah, it's different for us, but where you go, you don't have to be a marathon runner. And by God, don't be like, I'm not in shape enough to do something now. I think I'll wait until I'm in shape. Will you ever be in the shape that you think that you need to be in? This might be your only opportunity to travel. For some people, in their entire lives. Don't waste that. And if you're not going to be fit for it, just go anyway. Because you don't need permission from anyone. You don't need to travel like anyone tells you need to travel. You just go and you enjoy yourself and you experience. And no one's going to judge you, right? Some people are assholes. No matter where you are in the world, and they're going to judge you. But you're out there doing it. You're out there living your life, right? And their hatred, right? Their criticisms, this is envy. It's just, they're jealous, or they're just unhappy people. And that's fine because that's not you, because you're out there doing it. So get up, do some walking, get the incline, hit a local hill, just try to be on your feet more, and understand that if you're in cities, there's metro stations everywhere. And if you're tired, there's cafes everywhere. So you can always stop, have a break, get a snack, have some coffee, have decaf coffee, have water, and then just keep going, If you're tired, just get on the metro and then go back to wherever you want to go. Where taxis are cheap, depending on where you're at. If you're in Western Europe, taxis are expensive. But if you're in like Greece, if you're in Eastern Europe or something like that, it's like, a 20-minute ride is like $5. That'll get you pretty much anywhere you want to go. So don't be held back by, I don't look good, or, I just don't want to be in better shape. You can do these things, yes, but, get out there. No one's going to stop you from living the life that you want to live except you. Most of the time. But if it's this is your time and this is your opportunity, get out there and do it, because in the end, if you don't do it, the only regret that you're going to have is going to be not going. The only thing that's going to come from that is a lot of regret. Like, I wish I should have gone, right, when I had the chance, or before it changed, because Europe's going through a lot of change. The world's going through a lot of change. So these places now, they're not going to be what they once were. So get out there and enjoy it. And thank you for stopping by. And any questions in the comments, And I want to do more of these little talks because I don't know, I know some stuff. Not much, but I know some stuff. And I like to yap a little bit. So, yeah, thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you next time.